Hello, in this video I will show you how to make $50 a day using a copy and paste method inside Facebook. So that's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is you have to go to Facebook and then you have to find a page something like this. Now in my case I've chosen a niche of health, as you can see right over here. In your case it could be anything. So you can go with fitness, health, electronics, technology, application coding. There are a variety of niches that you can try. So what exactly you have to do is you have to just simply create posts on them. As you can see right over here, there are simple posts and videos that you can create using Canva and AI, which I will show you in a bit. So all you have to do is you have to just simply create videos like these, which can be easily done by AI. And with a post, you can just simply get them from Canva. So all you do is firstly go to Canva to get the post. So just simply search for health tips or health post. Then you will be given templates like these. So over here, just simply choose templates for Facebook. So let's say, for example, you would like to upload a recipe on Facebook. So get some posts like these and then create multiple pages or a single post and showcasing all the steps and ingredients of that recipe. And it's absolutely free to use as well, as you can see right over here. Now, for the video, what you have to do is you have to just simply go to nvideo.io and then you simply paste a script and then it will automatically generate you the video that you want. Now, to get the script, all you have to do is just simply go to ChatGPT and then you simply ask ChatGPT to write whatever you want. For example, I have chosen 5 smoothie recipes to lose weight fast. Now, you can try something else, it's totally up to you. Then, after ChatGPT will give you this script or the ingredients, you simply paste them to nvideo.io and then it will create you the video. So, if you are interested to know more ways of how you can make money online, you can just simply go to the description and check our free course that will show you exactly step by step how to make money online. Now what you will do is simply copy this and paste it in InVideo right over here and then click on generate video. Now wait for a few seconds and it will analyze your entire script and it will come up with all the possible video scenes that is required for your video. So it might take some time depending on the size of your script. So once the analyzing is complete, you have to choose few options right over here. Like for example, what type of audience your video is targeted to. So in my case, it's going to be health enthusiast. Then what type of look and feel you want. So it's going to be inspiring. And the platform, it's going to be Facebook. And now the video making process have begun. So be patient and wait for it to complete. Now once your video is ready, you can just simply see the video directly from the media player, or if you want, you can also edit the scenes from the editing panel down below. Now, once you're okay with the video, click on export, then export video, then choose the requirement settings right over here. And after that, click on continue. Now the video should be downloaded automatically. While the video is getting downloaded, now it's time to know how exactly you will be making money from this video and Facebook post. So the process is something like this. You have to create a Facebook post like this. Then you have to grow a channel, let's say for example for 3 months. And then when you will have a good reach of audience and you have engaging posts and videos. And after that, what you have to do is you have to just simply add an affiliate product into your page. So it could be anything. For example, it could be your own website, your own product or an affiliate product. So download the video first, save to location, and then for the affiliate product, you can just simply go to ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketplace. And over here, you can just simply search for any good health-related product, like for example, this Ikea juice. Now, it's a very good health product that you can, in order to get paid. So firstly, what you do is simply go to the affiliate page and see if the affiliate page is working or not. Now, if the affiliate page is all working, it's time to get the affiliate link. So click on the promote option, enter your nickname, then just simply click on the hop link option right over here and then click on create hop link. Then click on copy and now all you have to do is you have to just simply go to your Facebook account and paste the link inside the bio or info page or under all the posts and reels you will be uploading right over here. And for the video, this is how it will look.
Craving a healthy pick-me-up? Try a green detox smoothie. Spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon, ginger, and coconut water all blend together for a refreshing kickstart to your day. Or perhaps a berry blast smoothie is more your style. Mixed berries, banana, unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds, and optional honey combine for a sweet treat. Need a protein boost? The Protein Power Smoothie with vanilla protein powder, Greek yogurt, almond milk, banana, and almond butter has you covered. Dreaming of a tropical getaway? The Tropical Paradise Smoothie with mango, pineapple, banana, coconut water, and shredded coconut brings the vacation to you. Finally, for the chocolate lovers, there's the Chocolate Banana Protein Smoothie. Banana, cocoa powder, chocolate protein powder, almond milk, and almond butter create a decadent yet healthy indulgence. Blend, serve, enjoy, repeat. Cheers to your health.
So if you are interested to know more ways of how you can make money online, you can just simply go to the description and check our free course that will show you exactly step by step how to make money online. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.